sun's almost gone. Whatever we do it now.
That gate was meant to be sealed forever.
Forever isn't as long as it used to be.
The enemy marches on our doorstep. If we falter, the world burns.
Then we hold, no matter the cost.
They said the Citadel could never fall.
Then we'll prove them wrong.
If we fail, the world burns.
Then we don't fail.
We launch at dawn.
This map doesn't make sense. It's still changing.
Change is the point. We adapt or we die.
Whatever's out there, it's bigger than all of us.
Then let's go meet it.
What you just saw wasn't a real movie. It wasn't a Hollywood VFX reel. Every single shot from that video was created from a single sentence. And Hollywood is shaking right now because Higgsfield just dropped Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro, and it's unlimited, uncensored, and it's global to every audience. And in this video, I'm going to guide you on how to use it, from crafting the perfect prompt to mastering all the settings on this platform. I'll show you everything you need to start creating your own AI cinematic films today. Use the link in the video description to come to this website. Then right here, when you come to this website, this is the interface you are going to see. We have two methods to access the Sora 2 on this website to start creating your video. The first method is when you come over here, you are going to see under video, you see Sora 2 and then Sora 2 Enhancer. The one you should use is the Sora 2. Then the second method is going to the Sora 2 trends here, which is the new trend on this website. Let's click on this Sora 2 right here, trends. When you click on the Sora 2 trends and then you come down here, you'll be able to use this preset. That's the kind of template on this website. So from here, we have different kind of template presets that you can use. If you are going for the epic movie scene, just like this type of video right now, then you can use the epic movie scene available here. But if you are going for the crazy situation kind of social media style of video, which is this type of video showing on the screen right now, then you can use the crazy situation right here. There are different ones. So if you are going for the street interview, there's available option right from here. So this is why using the Sora 2 trends on this website is very much better, because you have access to all these presets. But if you don't want to use that option and you want to go through the Sora 2 option, for this particular option, you won't have access to that. So let's go ahead and create our video using this option. So when you come here, you will be given access to select TikTok, YouTube Short, Instagram Reels, or then YouTube landscape videos. Depend on the one you want to pick from, then you go with that. But for this video, the cinematic AI kind of movie video, I'll go with the YouTube option. When you click on that, come here, and in this text area, this is where you enter in your video prompt. So this is the prompt I've entered for the cinematic kind of trailer video, cinematic epic movie trailer video. Now, this is not done. You need to do some little settings right from here to fine tune your video. So from here, we have visual and sound. If you click on that, you have access to select the kind of visual look you want to use. Here we have style. Now click on auto, and here you can select realistic, cartoon, anime, or custom. You can customize your own kind of style you are going for. Any of those options that works best for you, depending on what you are going after, simply select from that. Then this is the craziness. This is the intensity of the weirdness of the video visuals that you want to pick from. Then this is the montage. This with the pacing and the editing rhythm of your video. So these are different options you can customize. Then here we have sound. If you click on it, you have background music, language, speech, and speech tempo. You can select language from here, people to speak in your video. You can simply select that from here, but I'm not going to select any of that right now. Then available here, we have settings. If you click on this settings option, you can select your video duration, 4 seconds, 8 seconds, 12 seconds. Then this is the video quality. So here we have 720p resolution. If you come down here, for the standard mode, you giving access to 720p resolution video. Then for the pro mode, you giving access to 1080p resolution video. But I'll just stick with the standard mode for this video. Currently, right now, if you don't want to use any of your coin and you want to go for the unlimited, it is unlimited right now to create any video on this website until October 20th. So now you can take advantage of the unlimited opportunity right now. So after that, you can then click on this preset, like I said, to select the style of video you want to use. So after choosing that, you can use an image or a character upload right from here. But we are not going to do on that right now. So I'll just go ahead to click on generate to start my video generation. While that video is generating, let me show you the second method by using the Sora 2. So if you come over to video, click on Sora 2 right from here. So this is the option you are going to have available for you. You can upload an image, but pay attention to what is written here. They say human faces not supported. You can use human faces as input images. Try using copyright-free characters, product, or other object instead. So you can use your face right now. You can use other copyright-free characters for as your reference image, but it is optional to do that. Then if you come down here, this is where you enter in your prompt, like the particular prompt I talked about using for the cinematic style of movie. You enter that prompt here, and then you come down here. This is where you choose your model. So from this model option, there are available all kinds of models that you can use from, but we are going to be using the Sora 2 Unlimited. Once that is selected, come down here and select your video duration. So when you click on here, this is available to you, different kind of video duration that you can choose from. Then we have the aspect ratio. You can choose now vertical or horizontal aspect ratio. That is the difference between this and the other option I showed you earlier in this video. Then here you can enable the unlimited mode right now. But now let's click on change to select our preset, and then you see that from here you have available only one preset to use from this option right now. So the main difference between using the Sora 2 under video option is that you have only one preset. Why? When you use the Sora 2 trends, right, from here you have available all kinds of presets that you can use. So anyone that you think will be okay for your video, that is the one you go with. So after that, after entering your prompt, then you come down here and click on generate, and your video is going to be generated. Now let's go back and check our video that we just finished generating. Here the video has been generated. You can then come down here and click on this play option to take a preview of how the video looks like. And if you are satisfied with your video, you can go ahead at the upside here where you see this download button to download your video. Or if the video quality isn't that nice, you can use the enhanced quality to enhance the quality of your video. But I'm just going to download my video right from here. Then another thing you can do here, you can rerun and recreate this same kind of video using this style. So basically that is it. I'll leave the link to this website in the video description and also in the comment section of this video. Quickly go and try it out right now, that this particular video style is going viral. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.